25 S3 topic is renewable and non-renewable energy sources you are going to learn. So open page number 156 from your reader. There you are going to see renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. So what are renewable energy sources? Here we can see solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, geothermal energy and hydropower energy. Coming to the non-renewable energy sources, coal, fossil fuels, natural gas, nuclear gas. Right? So now here I am going to explain for you. Open the reader and listen very carefully. Open your readers. Hello children, this is grade 5, block 25 and S3. Topic is renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Open your reader, page number 156. Here you can read this from here to here and observe the pictures. So already you have learned what are the main sources of energy that we discussed in the previous classes, isn't it? So now do you know of any other sources? What is the source of energy in our vehicles we use? Where do we get petrol and diesel from, isn't it? So we get petrol and diesel from petroleum, isn't it? So it also gives us CNG and LPG. So today you are going to learn about energy that is renewable and non-renewable and renewable energy. Okay, so here what do you think this means? So here when we see some questions will arise when you open workbook also. Just open the workbook and study the graph. Discuss with your just see when you open your workbook also, study this graph, children. Study this graph and about the sources of electricity. Here you can see when you study this one. So here see the graph below and answer questions. The graph gives information of the major sources of energy used to make the electricity. Okay, so now here observe this one and now I will tell you about this. What is renewable and non-renewable? So here why they are called renewable sources? Here you can see why they are called renewable sources. Coal, oil, where is here coal, oil? See here, coal, oil, gas, okay, so will not last us forever, right? So they are called non-renewable sources as they cannot be renewed easily, right? They finish when we use them and take millions of years to form, right? Whereas here sun, okay, water, sun, water, wind, okay, now here and biomass, okay, biomass here are called renewable sources of energy as these do not finish when we use them and they can be renewed easily within a short span of time, right children? So here what is the main advantage of using non-renewable sources of energy? So here how does their use impact the environment? And if you think and of non-renewable, see non-renewable sources produces lot of energy unlike wind, water, okay, and sun. They are not dependent on environmental factors. For example, hydropower plants can be set up only near rivers or wind power plants can be set up only in regions where strong winds blow, right children? So here however using oil, coal and gas causes lots of air pollution as they produce harmful gases on burning. On the other hand, renewable sources do not cause any pollution, right children? So here can we stop using non-renewable sources completely? here when we think of this one, see, the main sources of energy are coal, oil and gas, isn't it? So which are non-renewable? Which are non-renewable? If we stop using them completely, we will not be able to meet our energy requirement. Renewable sources can be used along with non-renewable sources but cannot replace them, right children? So now we will see the workbook. Already I told you in the beginning, just you see this graph. Okay, what information does it gives? What are the major sources energy used to make electricity over here? You can see the percentage also. See the first one, A. Which source was used the most to make electricity in 2011? Coal. Okay, what percentage of electricity was made by coal in 2011? 4%. Okay, so see this graph and complete the work. See what percentage of electricity will be made by coal in 2030? 34%. Okay, now second one, write two differences between renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. So what answer you will write? Renewable source of energy are those which can be renewed. They do not cause any pollution. Non-renewable sources of energy cannot be renewed, soon they cause lot of pollution. That answer you have to write. Now we will go with third one. How would our life change if we had to depend only on renewable sources of energy? So here we would not have fuel to run vehicles. We would not get cooking gas. We may face shortage of electricity as most of it is made from coal. Okay, that answer you have to write. Now from reader, turn to page number 158. Here fifth one, you see what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable source of energy? Give three examples of each. So here turn to page number 156. Here is the answer. Draw the middle line. Okay, now you write here renewable source of energy and non-renewable source of energy, and you write this for renewable and source of energy, non-renewable, this answer you have to write and draw the diagram. Okay, or first you draw the diagram and write about it. Okay, like that you must do. Whatever the diagrams I have given for you in this lesson, please finish it. These diagrams I have given, biomass I have given, and this also I have given, energy from wind also I have given. Please, whatever the diagrams I have given for you, complete on the left side of the page and do the given work neatly and correctly, children. Thank you.